Two Linux distros walk into a bar. One takes 5 minutes to order a beer, the other spends 3 hours brewing its own. Welcome to CachyOS vs Gentoo. CachyOS is speed right out of the box. Built on Arch Linux, it uses pre-compiled packages optimized for modern CPUs. We're talking 86 by 64 V3 and V4 instruction sets. This means your software is already tuned for your hardware without lifting a finger. The magic? The Bohr kernel scheduler keeps your desktop smooth even when you're compiling code or gaming. It makes frame times better, resulting in a smoother, stutter-free experience. Installation takes 15 minutes. You get gaming packages with one click and everything just works. Gentoo is the ultimate control freak stream. Everything compiles from source code on your machine. You choose every feature, run your programs without printing support, done. Need software built exactly for your CPU? You got it. The use flag system lets you enable or disable features per package. It's incredibly flexible. You can create an extremely bare bones installation, removing unneeded functions. Your system becomes exactly what you want it to be. But here's the catch. Firefox takes 8 hours to compile. A full system update could be overnight. You need serious patience and hardware. Speed to daily use? CachyOS wins hands down. You're gaming in under an hour from download. Fine-tuned performance? Well, Gentoo can edge ahead by 5 to 10% in specific tasks, but only if you know what you're doing. So, for ease of use, CachyOS crushes it, and Gentoo requires Linux knowledge and time. For gaming, CachyOS is built for it with patches and tools ready to go. But for a learning experience, Gentoo teaches you how Linux really works. For most people, CachyOS is the winner. Fast, modern, and ready to game. But if you want absolute control and love tinkering, Gentoo is your playground. Choose speed or choose mastery. Either way, you're ditching Windows. That's the battle, guys. Drop your pick in the comments, and peace.